How can I correctly pass arguments to Classbasedviews testing Django Rest Framework? I want to test some views in DRF project. The problem comes when I try to check views that have arguments in the URLs. urls.py. Edit, comma, in URL has been deleted in purpose, just it isn't considered a tag, and thus not shown. Views.py. Test.py. I'm getting this error. That is, the args aren't been passed to the view. I've tried in so many different ways to pass by the args, can't find a solution. Any help is welcomed.
Check your regex syntax in your URL saw-nf. You aren't capturing the named group correctly. You have rather than this URL, James.
You just need to specify your quarks again when calling get method. So your argument will be passed correctly. NB, I used this solution based on my experience with the mother class of a PyRequest factory, Django Request Factory.
You should pass quarks twice, into reverse, ... and into view, ... PS actually at Bachim Himmel's answer lead me to that code, but he is wrong telling quarks should be passed to get. I think he means factory.get. If you open factory.get implementation you'll see that it is used for payload and not for URL.